there, this is Kirsten Allstaff, Musical Director of the Online Academy of Irish Music. And I want to tell you about a really exciting practice tool we have on our student dashboard, our play along backing tracks. Sometimes it can get a bit boring practicing the tunes we're working on with no accompaniment. So we've taken some of our most popular tunes from our lessons and made backing tracks to practice along with. It's okay if you're not up to speed yet and need to play the tunes slower. You can choose to play along at 50%, 75% or 100%. For example, if I want to work on the reel Rolling in the Ryegrass, number 2, I may need to play this slower, and I also may need to have a melody player play along with me initially as well as accompaniment. When I get more confident with the tune, I may try it a bit faster and without the melody player, so it's just myself and the guitar. If you're already a confident melody player, learn tunes here with our play along backing tracks. Simply click on the sheet music, get familiar with the melody, and then choose accompaniment and play along. Sheet music and chords are available for all the tunes on the jam session. Currently we have backing tracks for over 130 tunes, and this is continually growing. If you're an accompanist and want to practice playing along with melody players, pick your tune, open up the sheet music with chords,
1, 2, 3, 4.
select melody, and off you go.
2, 2, 3, 4.
We want to support musicians in mastering their craft in the very best and most enjoyable way possible. We think that our play along backing tracks will truly enhance not only one's practice sessions, but overall enjoyment of Irish music. Broaden your horizons and challenge yourself to play along with different instrumentation, learn new tunes with our practice tools. Our aim is to make it fun to learn Irish music while broadening your repertoire. Until next time, this is Kirsten Allstaff, and thank you for choosing the Online Academy of Irish Music.